Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Mr. Boat here. I welcome you all for joining We Sport Academy. You are all welcome. We Sports Academy is just an online forex trading academy where we assist traders to improve their trading techniques with MD trading techniques. Yes, but this video over here as named Forex trading starting from the scratch. It's just an opportunity that we are giving to all new traders for them to get a chance to join us. We believe that not everyone have the basis knowledge to that level, and the MD trading techniques is also designed in a way that before you'll be able to comprehend whatever we do over there, you might have learned something, or you have the basis and the tactics of forex trading at your fingertips. Yes. So what we are going to do over the course of this week is to introduce you to forex, and we are starting from the basis actually. So we once again welcome you for taking a bold steps to joining Wave Sports Academy. So over the next couple of weeks ahead of us, we are going to be having video tutorials on how to trade this largest financial market in the world. And what you are about to view here is unique, and I try to present it in a way that is going to be very, very readable and comprehensible to every beginning trader. The methods and concepts accessible in these tutorials to as a result of my own personal research and experience in the markets. So the purpose of this material is to equip viewers with concepts and techniques to trade the financial market. It's going to be very, very demanding depending on wherever you are coming from and probably the time that you join us. But I promise you to stay focused and have patience too, which is very, very key to a successful trading. And you will never, never regret for signing up with Real Sports Academy to learn forex trading with us. Wow. Important bulletin. Trading forex, CDFs, and commodities carries high level of risk and may not be suitable for all investors. You may lose more than your initial deposits and could require to deposit additional funds. So have it in mind that what you are coming to learn here is for educational purpose only and not any financial instructs. Yes, so please do well to ensure that you understand risk and take care to manage your exposure. Manage or backtest all strategies that are going to be shared here with you on your demo account before you start trading on your live account. And also never invest money that you cannot afford to lose. Below is the outline that is going to guide us through the whole journey. Yes, I have categorized them into 4 different stages. We have this stage 1. We are going to look at a brief introduction of Forex. We'll look at what the term Forex actually means, what is traded on Forex, who is a Forex broker, trading times and trading sessions, terminologies used in Forex, forms of trading, currency pairs. Then we look at the MT4 interface part 1. Stage 2, we will look at what a pip means, the concept of ask and bid price, what is spread, forms of trading orders, concept of take profit and stop loss, leverage, risk management, common mistakes by traders, and the MT4 interface part 2. Stage 3, that is where we are going to determine how to know when to actually buy or sell, how to generate signals for yourself, what price action actually means. We look at market structure and computerized technical analysis. That is the various indicators. That is the moving average, MACD, Bollinger Bands, relative strength index, average directional movement. We look at the average true range and the TDI, that is the traders divergence index. Then we look at the Ichimoku, Kinko, Inu. Before we look at divergence trading, what support and resistance actually means, trend lines and trend channels, the candlesticks makeup, exhaustions and breakfill strategy, breakout trading, that is stage 4, pivot points, demand and supply zones in the market, how to practice Fibonacci retracement and extensions, how to use them properly, look at the various profit maximization techniques which enable us to double our account in Wave Sport Academy. Look at multiple time frame correlations, chart patterns, news trading, harmonics, Elliott wave and fractals, risk management trading, and trading psychology. Then we come finally put everything together and Forex trading strategies and guidelines on live trading. But for Elliott wave is actually going to be a brief introduction just to the wave theory, because it actually entails a lot and is almost about carries 80% of what we do on Wave Sports Academy. This is the basis of the MD trading techniques. Yes, let's begin with the introduction. What is Forex and Forex market? Forex simply means foreign exchange. Most of you embark on it every day. Yes, that is those of you who buy things online, transact with banks, and travel for business trips. You are indirectly exchanging your currencies, countries' currencies with one larger one. But here, what we are introducing you is the actual Forex market, where your banks and investment institutions and other financial affiliates invest and trade those monies that you save with them. Before, this was only meant for big banks before the onset of retail brokers that now give access to you and me to trade this large and highly liquid market. Forex is considered to be one of the largest financial markets in the world, and according to Jet Service, about $6 trillion is traded daily on the Forex market. So when you compare this to the New York Stock Exchange and the crypto market, the total market cap for all the cryptocurrencies is netted around $282 billion.